Well, good afternoon. We're along the banks of Brush Creek in the Country Club Plaza area of Kansas City, and we're enjoying another great day here in Kansas City to watch the Dragon Boat races. This is the 10th year of the Dragon Boat races. This event, as one can see from the video, is the racing of two boats at a time up and down this section of Brush Creek. Once down, once back. The turn at the other end is kind of critical. There is 12 teams this year. 8 of those teams are in the college division, and then 4 teams are in the corporate division, and they have a bracket of the race, so we'll have a champion in each of those categories. The Dragon boats, as you can see, are long, almost like a canoe, but they have some decor on them that would make them significant to be a Dragon boat. The ones that are being used today are 4 new Dragon boats that were brought here recently from Xi'an, China. So they were manufactured in Xi'an and shipped to Kansas City. Why Xi'an? Well, Xi'an is a sister city of Kansas City, and that's why we do the Dragon boat races. KC Parks and Recreation is glad to have the opportunity to use Brush Creek as a great way to showcase the creek, and one of the great opportunities we can do along here. Other activities like water fire and things of that nature occur later in the year, and so great way to learn about KC's many activities, many programs throughout our 220-acre park system is to go to kcparks.org. Again, kcparks.org on the website, or hashtag KCParks is another way to learn about our organization.